Listen to the farm with 6 amazing real life sounds.
中文是咕咕给虎。
What does the cockerel say? 咕咕给是
咕给。
英文是 cock-a-doodle-doo， 那听起来不像哈。那日文呢？
咕叽咕咕。
coco， 是鸡的叫声，是不是？好，下一页。What noise does the cow make?
母。
Moo， 那中文也是母。Can you make the dog say quack? Quack 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 quack。那中文是鸭子是呱呱呱，那英文是呱呱呱。那日文是什么？鸭子怎么叫？
Quack quack。
是吗？好。Listen to the pigs in the mud。猪怎么叫？
这是 muddy puddle。
这是 muddy puddle。The pigs are in the muddy puddle. Oink oink oink.
Oink oink.
What sound do the sheep make? Baa. Baa. 那中文的羊是咩咩叫，然后英文的羊是 baa。那日文的羊怎么叫？不知道。
咩咩咩
也是妹妹啊。Can you hear the noisy horse? Can you hear the noisy horse? Neigh, neigh. What a noisy farm. Now, can you make the noise for each animal? Cockerel.
Cockerel.
Cockerel 怎么讲？ Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
How about the cow? How about the cow?
Cow. No.
How about the duck? How about the duck?
Quack. Quack.
Quack. How about the pigs?
Oink oink.
Oink oink. Sheep?
Man.
It's baa.
Ba ba.
Horse. Horse is neigh.
Nee.
Okay, the end.